Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Himanshi, aka That Tall Brown Girl. So in today's video I am going to tell you how to achieve this makeup look without the use of foundation. Yes, you have heard me right, without the use of foundation. I have achieved this look without using foundation and I am very proud of myself. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start off my makeup, I always use sunscreen, and today I'm using this Mantra Face Gel Pollution Defense SPF. It contains sandalwood, turmeric and pure aloe vera, and it is very nice for the skin, and it's in gel form, so it doesn't leave your skin oily and chippy. Next up, for moisturizer, I am using this Biotique Bio Morning Nectar, and it is for all skin types, so that's a plus thing about it. And it is SLS and paraben free also, so that's very nice. And I am going to apply a generous amount of it so that it gives a nice supple look. Always remember to moisturize your skin properly before makeup. And remember, whenever you are applying anything, any moisturizer, any cream, always push them in upward motion to prevent sagging and wrinkles. Do not forget to prep your lip also. So for that I am using this Nivea lip balm in the shade Cherry Shine. So after moisturizing, I am going to apply a little bit amount of primer. So for that I am using NYX Honeydew Me Up. It's a very nice primer. It's very nice, and for dry skin type it's really nice. So do try this out. And I am going to take little bit, this much only, and then I'm going to apply it at my T-zone, because this is the area where I have open pores. As it is a no foundation makeup look, I'm going to apply a concealer with full coverage, and that is Color Bar Flawless Full Cover Concealer, and I'm in the shade 005 Lacy. And trust me, it is a very nice concealer. I always thought that Maybelline concealer is the best. Yes, it is the best, but it gives a very full coverage, and you're gonna see it in a few minutes. So I'm going to apply this concealer near my under eye area, and I'm going to take a little amount of it, not that much, and near my mouth region and on the spots that I have pigmentation. So to blend the concealer, I am going to take a damp beauty blender, and the one that I am using today is by Plume Beauty, and it's a microfiber beauty blender. It is very nice and it absorbs a very less amount of the product. Any concealer on my forehead, but there is some of it left on the sponge, so I'm going to dab it all around my forehead to give an even look. Next up, I'm going to set my face with the help of a baking powder, and the one that I'm using today is by Sugar, and I'm in the shade 30 Coco Chino, and it's a very nice powder. And let's bake our face. And I'm going to swirl around this baking powder and tap off the excess, and I'm going to set it all around my under eye area, my eye area, and all the area that I've used concealer on. Okay, I should have taken a big fluffy brush because that wasn't working. So I'm going to apply the powder all over my face so that it can set all the concealer that I've applied. I mainly focus on my under eye area because that's where I get the crease. My face is looking like a blank canvas right now, so to bring back some color I'm going to use this Sugar blush, and I'm in the shade 05 Coral Max. It's a very pretty pink color, so I'm going to swirl it around and tap off the excess. Always tap off the excess, and I'm going to apply it on the apple of my cheek. If you think that you have applied a little too much of blush, so one pro tip that I can give you right now is this: use that damp beauty blender again and tap it on the apple of your cheek, and it will absorb a little bit of blush and it will tone it down. And see, to make this makeup look a little bit hassle free and quick, I'm going to take the blush again and use it as my eyeshadow. So I'm going to swirl it around, and I know it's broken, but please mind me. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Always tap off the excess to avoid fallouts. I'm also going to apply this over my lower lash line to complete the look. To give this makeup look a little bit of definition, I'm going to use this Urban Colors Super Matte Eyeliner, and it's very handy also. I'm going to start it from the middle of my eye. I'm applying a thick liner because I don't like thin liners, so that's it. And I'm going to create a wing, if that's possible, because I'm very bad at it. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's something. So I'm also learning how to create a wing liner, and I think I'm quite good at it right now. So this is how I created my wing, and let me do the other wing off camera. It was a bit of a task to literally match the wing of the liner, but thankfully I've done that. So moving forward, I'm going to use this Urban Color mascara, and I'm not going to apply any lashes today because it's a very easy and daily makeup kind of a look. So that's it. I'm going to apply a mascara and finish off the look. I don't like this mascara. It doesn't give any volume or length, but that's the one thing that I have right now. It doesn't even curl my eyelashes. That's the one reason I use my false lashes, but it's okay. Don't forget to apply mascara on your lower lash line because it will look very odd. I'm going to use this same mascara wand, and I'm not going to add some more product into it, and I'm going to roughly go through my eyebrows as well. Because after all, we are just doing a very quick makeup look, so that's the reason. For lipstick, I'm going to use my ever time favorite Nykaa's chai. I'm going to link down all the products that I've used in this video apart from the eyeliner and mascara, because I don't think they retail on any of the websites. So to finish off the look, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and this is the best highlighter you can ever ask for, and it is very affordable, so go check that out. And I'm going to apply this on the high points of my face, under the eyebrow, bridge of my nose, and on the tip of my nose, and cupid bows, a little bit over here. Yeah. This is the final look that I've created without using foundation, and if you'll recreate this look, do not forget to tag me. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, do not forget to hit the like button and also share your views in the comment section below. It will mean a lot to me. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification right next to it, so every time I post a video you get notified. Till then, bye bye. Shooting. Right. And it contains sulfur. मम्मी सुनो, थोड़ा एक दो काट वो दे दो।